Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I welcome you in my class. That is an English for grade 6, and we are learning unit number 2, and its title is Journey from Muzaffarabad to Rawalpindi. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, my dear students, lecture number 4. Under the title of grammar, we will learn about genders and we will cover up page number 17 and 18. So my dear students and my dear teachers, before in English for grade 5, we have already learned about genders, masculine and feminine nouns. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. So our today's students' learning outcomes are sort the nouns by gender, i.e. masculine, feminine and common, e.g. baby, neuter, e.g. property. So my dear students and my dear fellow teachers, so today we are going to cover up this SLO. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Hujurat, verse number 13, O man, behold, we have created you all out of a male and a female and have made you into nations and tribes so that you might come to know one another. So yes, my dear teachers and my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us about genders, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is addressing that He has created us in male and female, and so that He divided us into nations and tribes just for that we might know each other. Okay, except that nothing is there. We all are equal. Okay, my dear students. So today what we are going to learn? We are going to learn about like male, female, so about genders. So first of all, we will refresh our knowledge, previous knowledge, what we have learned about genders. Yes, there is a question for you. What do you know about gender? So pause the video, my dear student teachers, and get answer from your students and then come back. Welcome back and excellent job. I hope you have reminded it and you have done it nicely. So let's see what is gender. Gender is defined as a classification of a noun as masculine, feminine, common, or neuter. So yes, my dear students, what is gender? Gender is defined as a classification of a noun. So do you know what is noun? Yes, noun is the naming person, naming thing is called noun, and everything around us is noun. The name of person, place, thing, so it all are nouns, belong to nouns. So when we classify these nouns as a gender, so we classify into 4 categories: masculine, feminine, common and neuter. Okay, my dear students, so let's see what are these genders in details. Masculine gender. So my dear students, the male persons and animals are masculine genders. So my dear students, all males who are categorized in masculine gender, they are categorized in masculine gender. They are male persons, even they are persons, even they are animals, so they belong to masculine gender. So we will get them into masculine gender. So see that few examples are there for your understanding, my dear students. So yes, father and son, so they are also masculine gender. Father is a male, son is also a male, my dear students, and this category belongs to persons. So next is there prince. So my dear students, always prince is also a male and also in categorized into persons. Waiter, waiter is also a masculine gender, my dear students. So you should also read with me. Yes, boy, boy is also masculine gender and it is related into males. Next, fox. Fox is also masculine gender, my dear students, and it is belong to animals. So some animals also belong to masculine gender, so male animals. So fox is the male animal. Next is there rooster. This is also belong to masculine gender, and lion. And the next one is bull. Okay, my dear students, these are persons and animals. These all belong to masculine gender. So next one is feminine gender. Female, women and animals belong to feminine genders. So yes, my dear students, all females and women and animals, so they belong to feminine gender. They will be categorized into feminine gender. So let's see, examples are there. Grandmother is a woman. Okay, so woman is a grandmother. It's also a feminine gender. Bride, so keep remember, my dear students, bride is always a feminine, a woman. Mother, yes, our mother is also a feminine gender. Next is princess. So keep remember, princess is always a feminine gender, and she belongs to feminine gender, and she is a woman. Hen, yes, hen is also a feminine gender. Okay, and this is because it has the gender, so it is a feminine gender. Hen, and it is also a bird, and it can be categorized into animals also. Why it is a bird? Because it can fly also. Okay, it has wings and it can fly. So next, the vixen. Vixen is also feminine gender, and it is an animal. The next one, cow. And the last one is tigress. These belong to animals. Okay, so animals, female animals and female persons are categorized into feminine gender. Have you got it? Good. So next, let's see common gender. What is common gender? A noun which has the same form for masculine and feminine is of the common gender. So same form. So do you know, my dear students, the noun which has the same form. Same form means which use same term, and we cannot get through a word that either that is a male or female. So we could not get, so then that are the same forms. So then we will get them as a common gender when it is not clear that he is a male or female. Okay, so then we will get them into common gender. How? See, examples are there for your more understanding. Yes, magician. So my dear students, magician can be a man and can be a woman. So when we will talk that word magician, so we will get it into common gender, because it is not clear that which magician we are talking about. It is either it is male or female. Okay, so that's why we will get into common gender. Next is doctor. So we use this term for both. We use this term for both nouns, either it is female or male. So that's why we got it into common gender. And the next one is lawyer. So our female can be lawyer, my dear students, and our male also can be lawyer. So that's why these are categorized into common gender. Chef can be female and a male. So do you know chef? Yes, chef cooks food. Okay, in hotel, in restaurant, so they cook food. So chef can be a woman and can be a man. So student, yes, as you are student, my dear students. So when we talk about students, so student we will get into common gender, because student can be a boy and can be a girl. Okay, good. Have you got? So next is baby. So baby, how we will get that? So baby girl can be, baby boy can be. So when we will talk the word baby, so we will get it into common gender. Okay, so in this way we can categorize gender. So last one is there neuter gender. What is neuter gender? The nouns that are neither male nor female is of the neuter gender. So neither male or nor female. So how we will clarify that? When that noun belongs to does not belong to female or male person. So then we will get them as a neuter. Okay, got it, my dear students? So it means male, female have gender types. Neuter thing does not have their genders. Okay, see there, examples are there. Table. So can you guess that table can be masculine or feminine? It has gender? No, it does not have gender. It does not have gender. So that is a neuter gender. Okay, and the next one, computer. Computer is also a neuter gender. The next one is napkin, that we use in kitchens while eating things on dining tables. Okay, so that napkin can be used there. So this is also a neuter gender, my dear students. Yes, utensils. All pots in our home that you see and in kitchen, so all pots are also neuter genders. Okay. Clouds. Yes, clouds are also neuter gender, my dear students. And because clouds does not have any male gender or female gender, so that's why it is included in neuter gender. So next is broom. Yes, broom is also a neuter gender. Have you got, my dear students? In this way, all four categories we got that they have a neuter gender does not belong with the three categories. Okay, neither male nor female, then that is called a neuter gender. So many examples are there. You can also search out in your class also. You will get many genders according to their gender, many nouns according to their gender. Yes, open your book, my dear students, page number 17, and let's see what does your book say about genders. Okay, have you opened? Good job. So let's see masculine gender. Read out that. The nouns which denote male persons or animals are called masculine gender. For example, boy, man, rooster, etc. Okay, and feminine gender. Read out that, my dear students. The nouns which are used to name female persons or animals are called feminine gender. For example, girl, woman, hen, etc. Okay, my dear students, have you got that? Yes, common gender. Some nouns can be both masculine as a feminine. They are called common gender. For example, teacher, engineer, minister, etc. So your teacher is also included into common gender. Okay, I am also included into I can, because it is clear that I am a female. So I will be included into feminine gender. Okay, good. Neuter gender, the nouns which are neither male nor female come under neuter gender, i.e. things. For example, chair, book, stone, etc. So have you got that? That book is giving knowledge about genders, that we have already got that, how we can categorize different gender into different categories. Good. So now you can see some other examples are there at your book, my dear students. Masculine, feminine, common and neuter. Brother is a masculine and it's feminine. Sister and common. Student. Neuter is hotel, father, mother, teacher and computer. King, queen, manager and jug. So have you got, my dear students, that how we can categorize different nouns into different genders? Good job. So now it's time to activity. We will get that how much we got knowledge about genders. So are you ready, my dear students? Okay, good. Yes, my dear teachers, you will provide flashcards or different nouns. Make 4 columns on the whiteboard. Masculine, feminine, common or neuter. Yes, my dear teachers, you will make 4 columns on whiteboard and you will provide flashcards of different nouns. After that, you will get students in pairs. One student will pick up a card and read aloud the noun written on it, and other partner will write the noun on board in its relevant column. Guide the students properly to build strong concept about genders. Engage whole class on this activity. Yes, my dear teachers, you should get this activity in your class and engage whole class and if there is any doubt or anything that is ununderstood by students, so you should clear it. I'm waiting for you. Pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Excellent job, good job. I hope you have got it, that how we can categorize different genders. Good job, my dear students. So now in this way you had to run that, and now we are going to do a practical individual activity on your book, the given on page number 17. Question number A, make 4 columns in your notebooks with headings of masculine, feminine, common and neuter gender. Write the following nouns in their relevant column. So you will make column, my dear students, and teacher will guide you. Yes, my dear teachers, get this activity into class individually in their notebooks. Pause the video and get this work in the classwork. Excellent job. I hope you have guided and you have got in a nice way. Okay, here is another question for you. On page number 18, you have to do this question on your book, my dear students. Question number B is there. Choose the correct masculine or feminine noun for the following. So you have to fill the bubble. One bubble is correct, so you will read out and you will fill the bubble, fill on book and then come back. Good, excellent job, super. Okay, so what's your homework for today? Write question number C given in book on page number 18 in your notebooks. So there is a question on your book, my dear students, on page number 18, question number C. So that question you will do in your homework in your notebook. So this is for homework for today. Okay, my dear teachers, this is worksheet and this worksheet link is given below. You should click it and provide it to your students in printed form, and we should get that, and we will get that how much knowledge students have got about genders. Okay, so what we have learned today? Today we learned about genders and its 4 types, i.e. masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. We also learned to sort them out into 4 categories according to their gender types, and in this way we have covered up our SLO. Sort the nouns by gender, i.e. masculine, feminine and common, e.g. baby, neuter, e.g. property. Yes, my dear teachers and my dear fellow students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture and you have got knowledge about genders. So tomorrow with a new lecture, we will meet soon inshallah. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.